Let's start with a very old and simple riddle. Why did the chicken cross the road? You probably won't have to think about it very long before you get the answer, since we learned it about the same time we were learning our ABCs in kindergarten. The chicken crossed the road to get to the other side, of course. Let's try another riddle, only slightly more difficult. 3 men are trapped in a cave with a dragon, a knight, a rich man, and a wizard. The dragon promises not to eat the one who can teach it a certain principle in algebra that the dragon just can't figure out. The knight wrestles the dragon and puts it in a headlock, telling it to figure out the algebra or else. The rich man plunks a bag of gold down onto the cave floor and promises that the dragon can have 3 more bags if it can complete the algebra homework. The wizard waves his wand and shows the dragon that in order to make a movie version of this riddle, he'll need a knowledge of algebra in order to do all the nifty computer-generated graphics Hollywood studios need in order to bring dragons to life on the big screen. Which of the 3 men helps the dragon the most? The knight, the rich man, or the wizard? Ponder that for a minute, and while you're at it, let's go back to that chicken. Notice how no one ever asked why the chicken wanted to get to the other side of the road in the first place? If I had to guess, I'd say that it all depends on the chicken in question, and that the reasons for crossing the street varies from poultry to poultry. The same can be said to be true for our students as well. For a million different individual reasons, you've come to our school. When you enrolled, you made what we call a choice to participate, and that's something we take very seriously, all chickens and dragons aside. Active participation is a key ingredient to a successful education, and as teachers, we know that this ingredient can only be found inside of you. The other side of the road you're looking for is a kind of academic environment that leads straight to collegiate success, and getting there depends entirely on your wholehearted participation in live class sessions, in tutorials, on discussion forums, and in group projects, and in your daily work. You know why you want to get to our side of the road. Honoring your choice to participate is how you get there. Of course, we are going to honor your choice to participate as well. Have you figured out the answer to the riddle about our dragon trying to learn algebra? Science suggests that there are only 3 ways to motivate someone to do something, and only one of them is self-motivating and effective in the long term. One way is to use force, like the knight in the riddle, to threaten someone with either physical violence or with some kind of harsh penalty for not performing a duty or completing an assignment. That only inspires someone to do just enough to avoid the penalty, and there's no mental drive to truly internalize anything you've learned. The dragon, alas, might finish his algebra homework, but he isn't really going to learn a whole lot. Things don't look good for the knight's solution, do they? The rich man won't fare much better. Using a lure or a reward for motivation is almost as ineffective in education as using penalties. It's definitely nicer, but the only way to truly learn is by wanting to learn. Offering the dragon gold means that the dragon finishes the algebra homework because the dragon wants the gold, not the knowledge of algebra. It's the wizard who makes it out of the dragon's cave, because the wizard offers the only true way to motivate someone to learn, by inspiring them. You learn deepest when you engage your own motives, and will hope for the wizard's sake that the dragon had a hankering to be a Hollywood digital effects designer. You made a choice to participate when you enrolled, and now we're going to honor that by following the wizard's example. Your teachers will try to inspire you with a drive to discover, to learn, and take an active role in your own education. Sometimes that will look like completing a variety of projects tailored to your individual interests. Sometimes that will look like taking part in engaging Socratic seminars or philosophical discussions or discussion threads. Regardless of what it looks like, your teachers will be trying to make the magic happen for you and every other student on a daily basis. That's what your teachers have agreed to when they made the choice to participate, and that is a direct response to the choice to participate you made when you chose to enroll. Just like the chicken, you may all have different reasons for wanting to get to the other side, but you've made the choice to cross the road, which is a good way to start.